Well, hello everybody. How are you all doing? Today I'm going to be vlogging on things to do and the protocols to follow after you return to the campus. Well, I'm sure all of you are extremely excited to get back to campus after this extremely unexpected break we've all had. And congratulations that a lot of universities, in fact, all universities in UK are opening up, and a lot of them are opening up in places like Ireland, etc. as well. And if I'm not mistaken, a lot of you have actually already headed off to UK back, and few of you are planning to go soon. So these are some basic protocols, some basic principles you all must follow, which the universities are directing the students to do for the safety of the people in the campus, the teachers, the subordinates, the helpers, and of course all of you students. So I'm going to list down and talk about these five headings. So the principles are to detest, the sanitize, distance, protect, and track. Yes, of course, they sound extremely basic, and they are, but you'd be surprised that it is only these basic things which are going to help us, come over the whole COVID time, and which are going to help us maintain our safety. So, for example, track. You were supposed to track your daily updates of health and tell it at the university. You're supposed to get your temperatures tracked before checking in and going inside the campuses. You're supposed to make sure that you maintain social distancing. We all understand you have individual and group projects. So the universities are requesting the students to do the individual projects inside their rooms, maybe instead of flocking around in the libraries. For group projects which have to be done in a group, it'll be wiser to maintain certain social distancing protocols. So I think there are these little things which we as students, if we follow, are going to benefit everybody, including us. The universities are also taking the steps. For example, there are constant disinfections happening in the campuses. They are taking protocols, sanitizations, everything is taking place. So I think we're all safe and we can work together through with it. Also, students who are new and are now looking forward to go to these universities for the first time need not worry. As I said, the universities are taking all the precautions, and even the PBSAs, which are these private accommodations, which a lot of you students have already started booking. And if you guys have not, I would request you to do it immediately, because you have only 3 months left to be in a different nation altogether. And I think for you to sort of get your kind of place, this is the time. Instead, you're just a little late maybe, but I think you still have a lot of time. And so yes, I was saying all of these PBSAs, all of these student accommodations, not only are well furnished, but taking COVID into consideration, are extremely equipped for your health and sanitization, and they're taking equal precautions, equal measures to make sure that all the students staying in their accommodations are very safe and secure, including them. Don't worry about these PBSAs. In fact, if you have questions, you can write to us, and we'll be happy to answer as always. In case there are particular questions about certain accommodations you have been looking for, you can directly get in touch with us, and we will call you as we have been doing. For any other detail, for any other help, any other query, any other related query, please comment in the section below, and we will get back to you with the answers. Until then, we will keep coming up with important vlogs, because now the journey is only 3 months left for you to get to your dream universities, and we will make sure that every week, as always, we come out with relevant topics which will help you cover this distance, especially if you're first time students, to go to your dream universities and to get there and live in a very accommodating situation. And till then, till the next week, please take care of yourself. You can write to us, and we'll be happy to help. Thank you so much. Take care and have a good night. Thank you.